Good afternoon. My name is Wilfried Soto Velázquez, Course Reverse Logistics, Group 5. Return Logistics Home Center. Your principal objective is customer satisfaction. The client have a period of 30 days to make the return of the exchange. The client presents the purchase ticket in perfect conditions and the product to the returned or exchange in perfect conditions and the picking original and the perfect conditions. Campaign Green Home Container Lumina. The correct use of the those products that aren't biodegradable. The client takes the bulbs for their correct dispositions. Rules of sales. In home center, the center the distribution rules of sales. Painting and bulbs. Home center sold a variety of the paints ecologic and the center the distribution. The lighting is based on the LED bulbs. Illumination LED. Home center don't have with the containers for the material, electronic and batteries. Thanks.